Hey guys, we're here today to fix my car, just everything that's wrong with it, because as you saw in the last episode, it wasn't running properly. Well, we found it. It was the throttle position sensor, but knowing Audi, and we love them, right? Because you can't get the throttle position sensor without buying the full throttle body. Gotta love it. But I also have to replace the hazard flasher relay because I ain't got no blinkers and the ABS sensors. But I mean, who needs those anyways? But let's get to it. Today's video is brought to you by Titus, who brought the snacks. What's up, y'all? A stranger not named Titus Stummy gave us food. If you look right here, that's a clamp. When you get off, you have to break it. So like, oh crap, that's in the way. But we have hose clamps and a ham sandwich. Everything you need. It'll be perfect. Gonna replace the PCV system pump while we're at it, because I had to replace this hose and got the whole kit. Didn't do this, but you know what? We'll do it now. Might as well. There we go. Oh, yes. Yes, we're breaking it. It's to help with the installation of the new one, don't worry. We got it. I feel like I look dumb. I dropped it. What'd you drop? The wrench. There we go. Get that old hunk of crap out of there. We got a brand new one to go in there. And it's blue, because racing, but no one's gonna see it. That's okay. Everyone on YouTube just saw it. Means they're gonna love it.
The new throttle body is finally in. Now onto those wires and hoses.
So upon further review, I found out that this vacuum line nipple for the throttle body is like half the diameter, and with the rubber line that I have on there, won't fit properly. So we're gonna try to over tighten it to make it fit, because it's like smaller, shorter, everything is really weird. I believe it is a vacuum line, but I would try to get this one on there with drilling and all that fun stuff, but we're stuck in a parking lot with basic hand tools, so.
After finishing the throttle body replacement, I went inside, washed up, rethought my life choices, made biscuits, and headed back out to tackle the flasher relay.
Now to replace this little guy. hazard flash relay done in like 5 minutes. Beautiful. Tomorrow, we'll do the ABS sensors. Day 2, front ABS sensors. Let's do it. So that mangled thing down there is what we're trying to get out. I watched the video and they literally mangled it like this, and it took them a while to get it out, but it should just come out if you mangle it enough. So that's what I'm trying to do. So I was going to do the other side, but then the ABS light went off when I replaced just this one. So I don't want to do that again. At least we have those parts for later. Alright, well that's it for this round. We did the throttle body, the hazard flasher relay, and the ABS sensors. So now I have blinkers. And I don't have an ABS warning light anymore. I have ABS that actually works. Not that I used it anyway. Who needs ABS in snow? Meh. But I just have to get my throttle body or throttle position sensor adapted to the ECU so that it actually knows that there's a new one and that what it's doing, where it is, all that fun stuff. Because it's still doing the same problem it was before. It was skipping and lurching, and I started up, it would die. But once it idled. It was rather strange, and my quick fix for the vacuum hose seems to have worked. I don't have a vacuum leak, but I'm probably gonna get that done better soon, hopefully with the right hose. But we'll figure it out. That's it for this round, and we'll definitely see you for some more, because there's always more to do on this car, right? Yay!